Today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth device on your phone. So the first thing is a little bit obvious one, but just turn off and turn on your Bluetooth again. As you can see now my OPPO looking for available Bluetooth devices. If you cannot find your device here, you can go here now and choose advanced settings. Now just try to switch on or switch off these options and try to find your device again. If you still cannot find it, you can just reset your phone by clicking power button and volume up and go and slide up to the restart. You can restart also your Bluetooth device. You have to remember that a lot of Bluetooth devices have something like a pair mode, and how you can enable it on your device you will find in a manual instruction to this array device. So if you still cannot find your device here, just go back and slide down on the settings and go to the system settings. And now go down again and click on backup and reset. Now choose reset phone and tap here to reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Now we can do it. And now your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth settings or mobile networks is resetted, and now just look for your device again. If you still cannot find it here, just go to the About Device menu in the settings and try to update your system if you have any update available. So the last thing I can recommend you is just try to look for your Bluetooth device on other phone, your laptop or something like that, to check that is a problem with your phone or maybe with your Bluetooth device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.